a junior stenographer with the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, filed a writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution claiming parity of remuneration with the stenographers who were newly recruited to the CSIR. Full stop. His claim was based on Article 14 of the Constitution. Full stop. A bench of 5 judges of this court denied him the benefit of that article because they held in Sabajit Tiwari versus Union of India that the writ application was not maintainable against CSIR as it was not an authority within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution. Full stop. The correctness of the decision is before us for reconsideration. Full stop. Stanza. The immediate cause for such reconsideration is a writ application filed by the appellants in the Calcutta High Court challenging the termination of their services by the respondent number 1, which is a unit of CSIR. Full stop. They prayed for an interim order before the learned single judge. Full stop. That was refused by the court on the prima view that the writ application was itself not maintainable against the respondent number 1. Full stop. The appeal was also dismissed in view of the decision of this court in Sabajit Tiwari case. Full stop. Challenging the order of the Calcutta High Court, the appellants filed an appeal by way of special leave before this court. Full stop. On 5th August 1986, a bench of 2 judges of this court referred the matter to a constitution bench, being of the view that the decision in Sabajit Tiwari required reconsideration having regard to the pronouncement of this court in several subsequent decisions in respect of several other institutes of similar nature set up by the Union of India. Full stop. The questions therefore before us are: is the CSIR a state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution, and if it is, should this court reverse a decision which has stood for over a quarter of a century? Stanza. The Constitution has to an extent defined the word state in Article 12 itself as including the government and Parliament of India and the government and the legislature of each of the states and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. Full stop. That an inclusive definition is generally not exhaustive is a statement of the obvious, and as far as Article 12 is concerned has been so held by this court. Full stop. The words state and authority used in Article 12 therefore remain the great journalist of the Constitution, the content of which has been and continues to be supplied by courts from time to time. Stop.